Welcome again. In this lecture, we will understand how to bind jQuery with the HTML document. Because in the last lecture, we downloaded the jQuery library and we copied that jQuery library into the project folder. So this is our project folder and that is the jQuery library. And to integrate a jQuery library with the HTML document, you need to make a HTML document first. So let's do it with the help of Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. So that is the Visual Studio Code. Okay. And then you can say, you can write, go here, go to the file menu, go to the open. And I am going to open my project folder, which is available on the desktop. So just open it. So once the document is open, you can close the welcome screen and see I have this jQuery library right here in my folder. So now use this icon, the first icon, just click on it, and I am going to create my index.html file here. Just press enter, and then now I need to write a basic structure of my HTML document. So what you can do, you can write HTML, and this IDE, this Visual Studio Code, it has a very good feature and it will show you some options here. So you have to choose HTML5 and see the basic structure of your HTML document is ready. Okay, so now let's understand how can you integrate jQuery library with the HTML. So we can do this with the help of script tag. So I will write script source equals to, then I need to mention my jQuery library in the source. So I just press enter here, and then see script tag is automatically closed. So that is a good feature by this provided by this IDE. And then I need to open another script tag, and this is the area where we need to write jQuery code. So in the second script tag, you are supposed to write your jQuery code. So what I am doing here, I am creating a division tag here. This is testing. So I have written this is just a testing, and I am going to fetch the content of this div tag with the help of jQuery function. Right now I know that you won't understand a jQuery function. This is just an example to find out whether we are able to connect our jQuery library with the HTML document or not. Fine. So just follow the code. So here I will write I need the content of division tag, and once I got the content, I am going to place it in a variable. So let's say a data, and then I am going to display it. So alert is a JavaScript function and dollar is a jQuery function. Okay, so right now do not try to understand this code too much. Just understand we are going to test our document, and the main focus is, are we able to connect our jQuery library with the HTML document. So once it is ready, so I have saved my document. Now go to your folder. So you have a HTML file here. Just right click on it and open with the Google Chrome, and see I got a result. This is just a testing. So this message means you are able to connect your jQuery library with the HTML. So in the next lecture, we will see how to connect a HTML document with a online jQuery, right? So this example is of offline jQuery. So if you do not have an internet connection, and still your jQuery will work, but there are uh, some situations where we need to use online jQuery, and in that case you must need an internet connection. So watch the next lecture. and in that lecture we will cover online jQuery.